Hi all. Today's session is from the chapter Pioneers and Leaders of the Hospitality Industry. The objective for today's session is to know the founders of the hotel industry. This is quite an important information for us to know about the various contributors in the field of hospitality. Also important from the angle of intercollegiate hotel management quiz competitions where they ask about the founders of the hotel industry. Let's take one by one the information about the founders from the next slide. Ellsworth Million Statler. He is known as the father of the modern hotel industry. At the age of 15, he became the head bellman with only 2 years of experience as a bellboy in one of the leading hotels in Wheeling, West Virginia. Some 50 years later, he had a hotel chain named after him and to be considered one of the premier hotel man of all time. In 1901, he opened a 2100 room temporary hotel, the Outside Inn, to house visitors to the Pan American Exposition in Buffalo. He had his second opportunity to operate a 2257 room temporary hotel, the Inside Inn at St. Louis World's Fair. In 1908, Statler opened what many believed to be the first modern hotel, the Buffalo Statler. He was considered to be the precursor of the modern hotel because of its many innovations that includes fire doors, installation of light switches inside the door so that guests could enter in a lighted room, private bathrooms, keyhole placed directly above doorknobs for easy access, circulating hot and cold water in each room, full length mirrors, morning newspapers. The Hotel Statler company was sold to Conrad Hilton's in 1954 for $111 million. It was then the world's largest real estate transaction. Conrad Hilton, the king of innkeepers. In 1919, Conrad Hilton purchased his first hotel, the Mobley in Cisco, Texas. In 1925, he built his first hotel to carry the Hilton name in Dallas. In 1943, Hilton had properties from coast to coast. In 1945, as World War II ended, Hilton purchased the largest hotels of its time, 3,000 rooms, the Stevens Hotel, and renamed it the Chicago Hilton and Towers. Throughout the 1950s and 60s, Hilton expanded domestically and internationally. In 1979, the founder, Conrad Hilton, died. His son, Baron Hilton, became the president and continued to run the company today. There are 6 factors which are management principles upon which Hilton hotels operate: time and motion studies, job analysis, job standards, safety programs, pricing policy, and strict budget control. Hilton believed in absolute cost control. He is credited with introducing new methods of forecasting and control techniques into the hotel business. Caesar Ritz. Caesar Ritz was a famous Swiss hotelier and founder of several hotels, most famously the Ritz Hotel. His nickname was King of Hoteliers and Hoteliers to Kings. And it is from his name, his hotels, that the term Ritz derives. Ritz worked as the first manager of the Savoy Hotel before he opened the Hotel Ritz in Paris, France in 1898. He went on to open the Ritz Hotel in London, United Kingdom, and the Hotel Ritz Madrid, Spain. Ritz enjoyed a long partnership with Escoffier, the famous French chef and father of modern French cooking. The partnership lasted until Ritz's breakdown. Ritz was born in Niederwald, Switzerland, and died in Cuisnet near Lucerne, Switzerland. William Wardolph Astor and John Jacob Astor IV. In 1893, William Waldorf Astor launched the 13-story Waldorf Hotel in New York. The hotel combined the lavishness of a European mansion with the warmth and homely qualities of a private residence. 4 years later, the Waldorf was joined by 17-storied Astoria Hotel. The two hotels were connected by a corridor and came to be known by a single hyphenated name, the Waldorf Astoria. Later closed and rebuilt on its current site, the 2,200-room, 42-floor Waldorf Astoria. The hotel was purchased in 1949 by Conrad and Hilton. Clemens Wilson. Clemens Wilson, once frustrated with the long distance for vacations or to visit friends and family that affected the nature of lodging, created the Holiday Inn concept to provide a clean, low-priced room for families like him or his family. The first Holiday Inn was opened in Memphis in 1952. He incorporated the theory of brand loyalty to his chain hotels. Brand loyalty is defined as the institutionalized preference of a consumer for a product or service based on a brand name or logo. Clemens Wilson is widely considered to be the first hotelier to put two beds in one hotel room, which is now called as twin room. J.W. Marriott. Another contemporary in the hotel industry is J. Willard Marriott, who began as a restaurateur in Washington, D.C. in 1927. In 1937, Marriott, exhibiting his trademark innovation, offered the first ever in-flight food service to airlines servicing the old Hoover Airfield in Washington. Marriott opened his first hotel called Twin Bridges in 1957. Throughout the 1950s and 60s, Marriott expanded its restaurant and hotel operations. In 1972, J.W. Marriott Jr. succeeded his father as CEO, Chief Executive Officer. He continued its expansion and has a presence in all segments: luxury, business, economic lodging, restaurants, theme parks, and so on. Today, Marriott is a widely recognized name with several hotel brands. Ernst Henderson and Robert Moore. Ernst Henderson and Robert Moore started the Sheraton chain in 1937. By the end of the first decade, Sheraton was the first hotel chain to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange. The chain grew from strength to strength. The Sheraton chain was owned by Starwood Hotels and Resorts worldwide till 2016. Later, Marriott International had a merger with Starwood Properties and acquired all Starwood properties. Ray Schultz. In 1980, Ray Schultz founded the Hampton Inn Hotels, which was a company in the Holiday Inn Corporation. It was a concept of limited service for cost-conscious traveler. His pioneering efforts for providing a product and service for this middle market segment provided to be an important contribution to the history of the hotel industry. Let's recap. E.M. Statler, considered to be the father of modern hotel industry and started hotels Statler later sold to Conrad Hilton. Next, Conrad Hilton, the king of innkeepers in 1946, he formed the Hilton Hotels Corporation and the Hilton International Company. With the purchase of Statler chain in 1954, Hilton created the first major chain of modern American hotels. Next, Caesar Ritz. The Ritz Hotel, his nickname was King of Hoteliers and Hotelier to Kings, one of the most respected hoteliers in Europe. William Waldorf Astor and John Jacob Astor IV, known for the largest hotel Waldorf Astoria in New York, later purchased by Conrad and Hilton. Clemens Wilson started the hotel Holiday Inn chain. J.W. Marriott He was the founder of the Marriott Corporation, later which became Marriott International in 1993. Ernst Henderson and Robert Muir started the Sheraton chain in 1937. And last, Ray Shills founded the Hampton Inn Hotels. I have referred this book and few of the hotel websites while making this PPT. Thank you for watching my video.